Hi friends, today we're going to talk about a scarecrow. A scarecrow is used in a cornfield to ward away crows. That means it's supposed to be there to scare away crows. So today you're going to decorate it any way you want. You can use crayons, you can use markers, you can use fabric, you can use glitter glue, any way you choose. Today I'm going to get out my pencil box and I'm going to get out some crayons. I have a yellow I'm going to use. I'm going to use a red one and a blue one. And let's see. Let me start with that and see where it takes me. I'm going to color his straw yellow. The straw is made from hay. And let's see, what color should we make his hat? Should we make him a straw hat? Well, let's make him a hat made out of blue. And do your best work any way you can do it. Oh, look what happened. The blue over the yellow, it made green. How fun is that? That's a color mixing. Any way you can color. Just do your best work. Let's see, a blue hat looks like fun. You can decorate yours any way you want, using any colors you want, anywhere you want. Let's give them a red stripe. Look at that. Purple and blue, red make, blue and red make purple. Let's see, let's give him some overall pants. And color his pants blue. You can put patches of fabric and make little squares. Make another little patch. You can color them in. Make anything you want, any kind of design. You can make circles. What do you think? There's a few patches. And maybe we should give him a red shirt. Maybe some stripes on a shirt. This is how I'm decorating my scarecrow. Do any way you want. Give him a little brown nose. Maybe have them purple eyes. Have fun with it. Do it any way you can. Give them some orange laces. Hey friends, keep going. Have fun. Bye.